cool to see my friend.
Yeah.
I think they... Unless... Are there any beginner chairs besides this? It's kind of the beginner chair.
Yeah. There's also chair 2, which is on the other side of the mountain.
Yeah. I know they said they're gonna... be here for a little bit longer.
Yeah.
But this is like... I don't know if it's my friend's first time. I think both of them. It's like their first or like second time. Just a little GA. Are we gonna try and do that hidden run?
Yeah. You should.
Oh, that looks fun. I think I've done that before, but it's been years.
Yeah.
I just know there's like all those little tiny trails back by the touring park. It is just Jerry Central over here.
Yeah.
That guy has his coat unzipped.
Oh yeah. And his doesn't have his pants all the way down his boots.
Where's all the... Got to see the Gorgie gaps now.
Yeah. That guy's just got a fox outfit.
Something like this.
That's straight up. He's straight up a furry. Snowboarding.
That just looked like a onesie.
Yeah. Furry onesie.
Like
everything that's an animal is a furry, basically. That's how it goes.
Like rock. It's like pretty steep, and there's just like a rock you can like.
Oh yeah, tie rock or something. Yeah,
I remember
that
rock. Used to be a double, right?
It was a double, but probably not when you were alive.
Yep.
It was replaced in 1999.
Huh.
Yeah.
For some reason I thought that was a double.
Oh.
I remember I sent it down that rock at like when it was dark. It was like 7 o'clock.
Oh wow.
And I was going with like 2 other people who were really crazy.
Dang.
I'm like, I'm not doing that again.
You just hiked up it?
No, it's just a trail, or it's kind of off the trail, You have to like duck under a rope, but it's really fun.
Oh wait, do you mean at night?
Yeah.
Oh okay, I see. Yeah, I forgot about the night skiing for a second.
So I have my little headlamp.
Oh yeah.
It wasn't enough.
Was the snow good or was it icy?
In 8th grade, or even in high school, actually, I was able to do like a ski bus. My high school didn't do it, but the one, the next one over had like a ski bus, and they let people from the same district go.
Yeah, I did ski bus in middle school and high school.
It was awesome.
Yeah. My ski bus took us to Snoqualmie, so it was just Friday nights, crowded.
We did it Wednesday.
Oh man.
Because we had an early release that day.
Nice. Yeah, my high school did early releases.